mostly everyone has faced difficult moments, misunderstandings, offense, been offended by whatever, pressure, frustration, hurt feelings. They talked about that, hurt feelings, and conflict. But wisdom teaches us not every battle needs a response. Who said that? Mother Evans? Not every battle needs a response. Did you say something like that? But wisdom teaches us not every battle needs a response. Not every opinion needs an argument. And not every emotion should control our behavior.